Make a great choice today with the 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote power door locks, rear wiper, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, remote window operation, speed proportional power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.